lockdown, and of course we're still missing you guys very much. It's nice to be able to see you all on Seesaw. Hope you're having a happy day. You know what to do with lemons? You make lemonade. That's an old saying, but it couldn't be more true than now. I've picked these lemons from the tree, and we're going to make the most stunning lemonade you've ever tasted, and you're going to learn some really good tips, because while researching the best lemonade, I found some good tips to share with you. Okay, I've washed these lemons. The reason I've washed these lemons is we're going to use the rind. That's part of our recipe today. Lemonade with lemon rinds, who would have thought? We're also going to use a bowl. We're going to use a squeezer. I like this squeezer. I bought it at the house. This is what I'm going to get the zest, my zester, sugar, my measuring cup, my pot to make the sugar syrup, and my strainer. That's what you will need for your recipe. I've got my lemons. The first step I'm going to do with my lemons is roll them really hard on the table. Do you know? Oops. You roll it really hard. Do you know why you roll it really hard? Emma's actually videoing me, my daughter, so thank you very much, Emma. Thank you, Emma. Emma, do you know why we roll the lemons? Okay, you get far more juice out of a lemon if you roll it really hard a couple of times. It's meant to give you a lot more lemon. You can also microwave it for 20 seconds. That's another way. I haven't tried that because it seems a bit weird. So now I've rolled my lemon, I'm going to zest it and put it into my pot, because this pot is going to be used for my sugar syrup. So you don't want to see the boring bits of me doing this and getting the lemon juice. So see you in a sec. Here I am, guys, squeezing my lemons. I'm probably going to squeeze about 6 or 8 because I need to get a full cup of lemon juice. Don't you love lemons? I do all sorts of things with lemons. You can make lemon tarts, you can make lemon chicken, you can make salad dressing, gorgeous salad dressing. Lemons are just such a great food. Many people tell me lately that their kids actually eat the lemons raw. Do you eat your lemons raw? Muscles, I've just done all those lemons. Thanks for staying with me, guys. So now I've got a cup full of lemon juice, and I'm just going to pour it in to my bowl. I'm going to use this to start our sugar syrup. Come on over. I'm going to add, do you remember I put the lemon zest in there? I'm going to add a cup full of sugar. You don't have to be too precise about your measurements. I'm going to add a cup full of water. Just going to stir this up until it's completely dissolved. We have our beautiful sugar syrup here. So that's again just the sugar, the water, and the zest, the lemon zest. And it's nice and translucent now, so all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's cooled down. So now we're going to add it to the lemon through the sieve. And that's almost like a lemon cordial. Look at that, lovely. It looks a bit too strong to drink, and it is too strong to drink right now. So what we're going to do, bring it over here to our lemonade container. And then I'm going to add maybe 1 or 2 more bowls of water here. Hey Emma, are you ready for some divine lemonade? Okay, Here's our making lemonade out of lemons on our 6th. And wouldn't it be good if I could say final COVID lockdown? Chin chin. See you all soon. Oh, how good is that?
It's delicious.